stop, for real. Okay, check this out.
Okay. What are you gonna do?
Same thing.
What do you do when you do not have a corkscrew? You become improvisational. Is that a word?
Yes. I can't get my first bend. I need pliers. I don't have them.
You need to make it like a scoop.
Yeah, but I can't get my first bend like this small enough. Most people would have been smart enough to have this shit.
We should have just bought one.
Let's try to get one of them in first.
Okay.
And then I'll try with that one after this one.
I only think you need one. Just so it'll get down in there enough to scoop it up like.
Almost there.
Really? Don't pull it out. There we go. Okay, now we're
I
at.
know what you're saying.
Now it will scoop it out. You don't need two?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Two of them will help. One on each side. This one should go.
That's what I said in the beginning.
Yeah, I know.
Like
but
the
I
two
couldn't get
little
them both in
feet-like
there.
things.
Couldn't get them both in there. Otherwise, there would have been two to begin with.
It's just hard. They're hard. It has now become a battle.
Or at least get two things in there.
It's a battle. Jason against the wine bottle. Better be good, that's all I gotta say. Okay. Easy. Nope.
Well, the other one's good.
Is the other one pulling it up?
No, I don't know yet. Just started catching.
The catching is what's important. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sweet ass. Yes, yes, yes. Does it sound bad? So that was totally like not worth it at all.
Oh, go ahead and drink.
Okay.
Let's drink
Thank
something
you.
more.
What kind of drinking is that?
Just